Hello, my name is William French, and I'll be looking at my reflection for this first week. Number one, HR. HR is about the people. It's so important. Number two, HR is more than just hiring people and firing people. HR helps create the benefit packages for people. They help train people. They help the company comply to federal, state laws. And without them, some things wouldn't get done. So I want to point out HR is more than just hiring people and firing people. Number two is sexual harassment. Sexual harassment does not have to be physical contact. It can be an environment by verbal language. It does not have to be said directly to the person. It can just be heard from a conversation when someone is nearby, and that can be considered sexual harassment. Health and safety. It is a real big trend right now for health and safety. If we think about it, health and safety provide a solid work experience for the employees. Health and safety also helps to keep the costs down, and they care about the medical costs. They also care about people coming to work. I mean, if the workers are healthy and they're coming in, that means we're going to have good work effort today. If employees aren't being healthy and being safe, they might call in, they might not be able to do their job, and work environment, the mood may be off. Right now, the big deal is COVID, and several employers have to let go of their workers because of how close they are, and they care about the safety of the workers, and they have to shut their doors because they care about their workers. Next, EEOC helps employees who feel like they have been taken advantage of. They also will provide guidelines to the employer what is fair for the employees. Two important things to me was learning HR. HR does more than just firing. And today, their job is more important. HR is so critical for a company to be successful. They do the recruiting, they do the maintaining the workers. If a company does not have a good HR will spend a lot of time of hiring people and retraining people, which is a lot of wasteful time. If HR does their job and hire people that are capable of doing the job, and they're not doing so much time on the retraining, HR is doing their job, which means they have happy people who are in the work environment doing something they love to do. Affirmative action. It's a program designed to help certain classes of people to get a fair shot at the workforce. Main objective is to create things that were done and try to make things better. Just like the world, we try to make things better. So the company volunteers to do it sometimes without having to hire someone to tell them that they've done something that's not fair. And thank you for watching. And all images are from Google Slides. Thank you.